Okay, got another freebie here for you, SynthMaster One, and this is free until January 4th. Let's check out some sounds of it. There'll be links down below. So we got all these presets here, all kind of categories, typical stuff you would find in a synth. Then we have the synth over here, oscillator 1, oscillator 2, all kind of effects, distortion, EQ, compressor, chorus, delay, different routing options, all this other stuff down here, if you will, arpeggiator, of course. Let's play some sounds. So pretty wild. It's free. You might as well check it out if you're interested in some synth sounds. Indeed. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say about it today. Might as well grab it. It's free. They also have Synthesizer. They also have SynthMaster 3 out. There's an upgrade price if you get this one. There's other deals on their website as well you can check out. Let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.